Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day, print pattern. It's a very easy category problem. Print a sequence of numbers starting with n without using loop, where replace n with n minus 5 until n is greater than 0. After that, replace n with n plus 5 until n regains its initial value. So what the problem is trying to say is, for example, let's say if n equal to 10, then what they are saying, decrement, so the output should be like this, 10, right? And then decrement with each iteration, decrement n with 5. So n 5, then again decrement n with 5 again, right? So once it reaches 0 or negative, right? Or negative, then increment again. So 0 it has reached. So we are incrementing n by 5, right? 5 until the n regains its value, original value. Okay. Let's see another example. 16, right? Decrement 16 by 5. That is n by 5. That is 11. Then 11 minus 6, 5. 11 minus 5, 6. And then 6 minus 5, 1. Minus 4. So it has reached negative. Now start incrementing again. Minus 4 plus 5, 1. Right? 1 plus 6, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. And then 16. Until n regains its value, we have to take this, right, into a list in Java or vector in array, right, and simply return. And the condition is that you don't have to use you don't have to loop, you don't have to use any loop. Okay, without using loop, you need to have these values in the list or vector and then simply return. Okay, so what would be the intuition here, right? What would be the intuition here? If you want to use for loop, then definitely there's another solution is recursion. Use recursion. So let's quickly see. For example, right? For example, if we have some function, right, which gives us n, right, gives us n. So what we'll simply do, right? If it is Java, let's say we'll have list of integer result equal to new array list, right? And then simply what we'll do, we'll pass helper function n comma this result, right? In C++, it will be definitely vector, right? So now what we'll do, we'll write a helper function, right? Void helper, right? Let's say int n and result we have. I won't write the complete pseudocode, right? Then simply what we'll do, we'll add result dot add n, right? For example, let's consider n is 10. So we added into result 10, right? And then if we'll check if n is less than equal to 0, if n is less than equal to 0, right? Then simply return. And here what we'll do, we'll call helper n minus 5, right? N minus 5, and then result will pass. And then here also we'll add result dot add n, right? That's it. So let's see. First, n 10 is passed, right? So we'll add into result 10, right? Then we'll check if n is less than equal to 0 or not. No. Then we'll go over here. N minus 5 will do, right? N minus 5 will do. It will come again over here. N minus 5, right? So we'll add 5 to it, right? And then n is, we'll check here. N is less than or equal to 0 or not. No. Then we'll go again, decrement this, right? Decrement n with 0 here, right? We'll add 0 here. And now it will, this condition will match, will return from here. Once we return, stack unwinding will happen, right? Stack unwinding will happen. So sorry, we have not, yeah, we have added 0, stack unwinding happened, right? We added 0 here, stack unwinding happened. Now we, after stack unwinding, it was 5 again, right? 5, and then again one more unwinding will happen and we'll get 10 simply. Okay. So this is a solution, right? This is a solution. Let's quickly go through the code, the same code, right? So here we have result, right? We passed it n and result, right? We added here n, and then we are checking whether it is less than or equal to 0. No. Then decrement, right? Once n reaches, we'll keep on adding n to the list, right? And once it is like 0 or less than 0, then we'll, after unwinding will happen, right? So we'll be adding again the n, right? And then we'll simply return result here. So let's submit the code. So that's it. That's the solution. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.